Good morning, sir. My name is Ginos Ilamoste, 23 years of age, from Antipolo, Isabel Leyte, Power Plant 2F. Here is my video for midterm exam. So first question is, Senator Bato de la Rosa put forth a bill that would have made plunder punishable by death to penalize corrupt public officials. Should the Philippine government permit this to become a law? So my answer is yes, because the Philippine government should permit a bill making plunder punishable by death to become a law. This position is based on the moral conviction that the crime of plunder, the theft of massive amount of public funds by high-ranking officials, is a heinous crime that warrants the ultimate penalty for the good and stability of the nation. So here is the related Bible verse. Romans 13, for the one in authority is God's servant for your good, but if you do wrong, be afraid, for rulers do not bear the sword for no reason. They are God's servants against of wrath to bring punishment on the wrongdoer. So second question, should same-sex union be made legal in our nation so that the LGBT community can have freedom to be with whoever they choose to love? My answer is no, because same-sex union should not be made legal in our nation if the moral and legal basis of the nation is strictly defined by the traditional religious or natural law defined of marriage. This viewpoint holds that the government should not legalize same-sex unions because doing so would fundamentally alter the establishment social institution of marriage, which is the traditional perspective is exclusively defined as a union between one man and one woman. So here is the related Bible verse, Matthew 19:4-5. Haven't you read? He replied, At the end, beginning the Creator made them male and female, and he said, for this reason, a man will leave his father and mother and be united to his wife, and the two become one flesh.